GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhon, and this is Governance Matters. In today's episode, we're covering significant developments in Cardano's governance process. We'll explore the draft constitution, the ongoing global constitutional workshops, and the community feedback initiatives that are shaping the future of the Cardano ecosystem. Let's begin with the draft constitution. The Cardano Civics Committee, part of Intersect, has been working diligently on updating the draft since the release of the Interim Constitution. This draft represents a crucial step in Cardano's evolution, aimed at establishing a robust framework for decentralized governance. Like the Interim Constitution, the draft constitution serves multiple purposes. It outlines the fundamental principles of the Cardano ecosystem, defines the roles and responsibilities of various stakeholders, and sets guidelines for decision-making processes. This document is not set in stone, however. It's designed to be a living document, open to input and refinement from the global Cardano community through the constitutional workshops. These workshops are part of a comprehensive global initiative to involve the Cardano community directly in the governance process. The scale of this effort is impressive. Approximately 63 workshops are planned across 50 countries. This reflects truly the international nature of the Cardano community. As of now, 6 workshops have already taken place, with more than 50 others scheduled in the coming months. These workshops serve as forums for community members to discuss, debate, and provide input on the draft constitution. They're designed to be inclusive, ensuring that voices from diverse geographic and cultural backgrounds are heard and considered. For community members who are unable to attend a workshop in person, there are still opportunities to contribute. An online feedback form has been made, and it ensures that geographic or scheduling constraints don't prevent anyone from participating in this important process. This form allows individuals to provide detailed feedback on various aspects of the draft constitution. All of the responses submitted through this form will be shared directly to the Cardano Civics Committee, ensuring that online contributions carry the same weight as those made in person at the workshops. While this consultation process is ongoing, the Interim Constitutional Committee, or ICC, will use the Interim Cardano Constitution and the guardrails to assess the constitutionality of any governance action. The ICC will fulfill this role from the Chang hard fork until the new constitution is officially ratified on-chain, following that constitutional convention. This ratification process itself will be a significant event in Cardano's history. It's going to involve a community-wide vote by DREPs to approve the final version of the Constitution. The entire process we're witnessing, from drafting the Constitution to holding the global workshops and gathering community feedback, it represents a landmark experiment in decentralized governance. This is an attempt to create a truly community-driven system of rules and principles that will guide the future development and operation of the Cardano ecosystem. This approach to governance is not without its challenges. Balancing diverse perspectives, ensuring fair representation, and creating a document that's both comprehensive and flexible are complex tasks. However, these challenges also present opportunities for the Cardano community to demonstrate the potential of decentralized decision-making on a global scale. In the coming months, we can expect to see more updates on the workshop outcomes, potential revisions to the draft constitution based on community feedback, and eventually details about the Constitutional Convention in Buenos Aires. These events will collectively shape the future of Cardano's governance, setting a precedent not just for this ecosystem, but potentially for other blockchain projects as well. As we continue to follow these developments, it's clear that Cardano is charting a unique path in the world of blockchain governance. The success of this initiative could have far-reaching implications for how decentralized systems are governed in the future. Governance Matters Cardano is made possible in part by a grant from Intersect. Help support good governance by liking and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. GM Cardano.